Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change your X Twitter's username and the new update which changed Twitter to X. So let's get started without any further ado. In order to change your X Twitter username, you need to have a Twitter or X account first and make sure it's logged in into your PC or your phone, speed Android or iPhones. And I'm doing this tutorial today on your laptop, but feel free to do it on your mobile phone as well, and leave a comment if you want it on your mobile phone. We can start by opening the Twitter app, and on your profile button next to what's happening you can see your edit profile button. But as you can see, you can only change your name from here but not the username, so we have to go back to the home page and click on the more with the three dots icon. Here, go to the settings and privacy, then your account. This page will lead you to your account information. Click on it, and as you can see on the top there is your username. Click on it and you can change your username from here. It'll also show red if the current username you've typed is not available, like this. So you need to click one from the suggestions or write one yourself until the tab is not red anymore. And you can click on the save button to use your new username. And this is how you change your username in the X application. I hope you find this very helpful, and please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share. And see you in the next one.